Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee like cafe. Use a scale to weigh 18 g coffee per 300 g water, grind medium fine, and heat water to 93 degrees C. Bloom grounds for 30 seconds, pour steadily, and aim for a 30 to 3:00 minute brew time. Taste and adjust grind or dose by small steps until you find your preferred balance of body and brightness. For cafe-level coffee, start with consistent grinding and dosing. Use a burr grinder and weigh 18 g coffee for 300 g water as a reliable baseline. Adjust grind coarser if brew tastes sour or finer if it tastes bitter. Small changes matter, so tweak by 0.2 g or 1 grind step at a time. Keep beans sealed and roast dates noted so you always know freshness when dialing in your cup. Extraction and milk technique bring cafe character to your cup. Maintain about 93 degrees C water and pour steadily for even saturation and balanced extraction. Stop pouring when the desired total brew time is reached to avoid overextraction. For milk drinks, steam or heat milk to roughly 60 degrees C until smooth microfoam forms, then pour right away for best texture. Practice makes routine, so repeat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.